And this is week 6 of my options trading challenge, going from $1,500 to $130,000 in 1 year. Let's get into it. Hey, I am Mr. Maciek. Welcome to the channel. This channel is all about making money, investing in real estate, and building your net worth. So if you are excited about that, please subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. And you're gonna get more content on how to make money. So if this is your first time watching this series, here's basically what I'm doing in the shortened version. So I am taking $1,500, turning it into $130,000 through following signals from tradetips.io. And this is a signal service where they have stock analysts that go and analyze what I should invest to, and it's only buying options. He doesn't give calls once in a while to buy and sell shares, but I just don't get into that because my account is too small at this point in time. So it's really simple. He sends text message what to buy, how much to buy it for, and I buy it. Then he tells me how much to sell and for how much to sell it, and I sell it. It's really that simple. Kind of don't have to think about it, but what it's really doing is teaching me a lot about options trading because I want to become a better options trader than I am. So it's kind of leading me down this path of really learning a lot about options trading because the potential is huge. I'm telling you, if you don't know about options trading, just search it on YouTube and start learning. It's an amazing opportunity, and it's also an amazing opportunity to lose everything. Okay, so this is episode 6, covering weeks 11 and 12. I'm doing updates every 2 weeks, every 14 days, every second Tuesday, because what I found is that if I would do it every single week, there would be such highs, such lows, and spreading it out over 14 days kind of makes it a little more even, and you get to see, are these signals good? Maybe am I good? Am I able to follow them all? And kind of what's going on in general. So first and foremost, I'm not making excuses here, but as you know, if you're following, the stock market is horrible. It has been going down with just a little tick up, and then it goes down 3, 4, 5 days in a row again with another little tick up, and then there's just nothing but bad news of recession and bad news from all these expert analysts out there on the news, and well, basically it's not giving the consumers much confidence. And worst of all is that the big companies are taking their money out of investing into stocks and putting it into buying treasury bills, which basically is a super safe investment that pays a very low percentage, and that's making more of the general public be kind of afraid of investing into the stock market. They're saying, what's going on? And quite frankly, I don't know what's going on. I'm a real estate guy, but I do love the stock market and I am really getting much more into it. So here's what's happened. I have this amazing spreadsheet, so we're gonna switch over to the computer and I'm gonna show you what has happened in the last 2 weeks. And if you did watch episode 5, that was my first red episode where I had 2 bad weeks in a row where I actually ended up lower than I did the 2 weeks prior. So let's see what happened from 2 weeks ago to today. Okay, so here's the spreadsheet. As you can tell right here, this is week 5. Episodes 9 and 10. I'm sorry, weeks 9 and 10, episode 5. And, you know, I had actually gone from a 9,229 to 43.37. I had a huge 53% loss. And that was really crappy. I mean, this sucks. I was losing a little bit of faith in the whole system. But that was also 2 really bad weeks of the stock market going down and crashing, and a lot of things got sold as it was going down. And then I was just holding on to money, not doing any options trading because I just wanted to take a rest because I had lost so much on it. And well, that's what happened. So here we are. Are you ready for it? There is the foreshadowing right here. These cells are red, so if it's red, that means it went down. Let's do it. Let's reveal what we got. Here we are. Ended the 2 weeks with $2,798. And what really sucks is that today we had a huge loss. Here it is. Today we lost $1,000. We lost 27% of the whole account. That's just today. So that really sucks. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. But hey, I'm still doing this. What's going on? I am currently, so from 2 weeks ago, it went down 35%. as indicated right here. Overall, I still have a 93% return from my initial investment, which is great because if you invest, any kind of money and you get 93% ROI after 12 weeks, that's a great return. But I'm trying to make this $130,000 and I'm not on track. Let's move over just a little bit here. So this is today's date, 3/16, and if I want to be at $130,000 right here by the end of the year, then by week 51 and 52, then today I should have been at, right here, $4,085. That's where I should be, and I'm currently $1,287 short. So I'm not too happy, but I'm gonna keep sticking with the system until I win or I bust. That's a promise. I'm gonna stick with this until I make it or I don't. Now, going down a little bit further, I also wanted to see where am I at if I make a $1 million goal instead of $130,000. See, here's $1 million. And to stay on track, I need a 28.596% return every 2 weeks. So here's what we got. I should have been at 6,539 and I'm 3,740 short. So needless to say, I am not happy about how it's going, but that's okay. I do still have faith in the system and I'm really gonna stick with it. Okay, now let's go into my TD Ameritrade account so you can see what's been going on day by day. So here it is. And if I just kind of check on the dates, today we're 3/16. This is just showing yesterday's 3/15. It was 38.64, which is a lot better than today's 2,900, whatever that was, 27. But check it out. I was down to 2,900 here. I was down 33.28. This is horrible. 28.23. My worst day right here, 23.44. I'm telling you, some bad trades make a big difference, and I can't really set the stop loss on it because I did research on stop losses, a company that does quite a bit of research on what was the best strategy, and they actually found that having stop losses created a much lower return on investment than letting the option ride through. So here we are. Unfortunately, this account has just been going down. These were the good old days, 9,200, 93. This was the good stuff. Well, unfortunately, I am not there anymore. Now, I haven't added any money into the account. I haven't removed any money from the account. This is just what it is. So thanks so much for following here. If you have any questions, maybe about what I'm doing, how this works, how can you try this out, or just follow my journey, then please write me a comment. I'd be glad to answer anything. Also, if you found this valuable and you like this kind of content, I'd appreciate a subscription and also a like. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time.